Good morning, I'm Roger here at Heiser Toyota. I'm going to show you the 2016 Honda CRV. Sorry it took me so long here, but got tied up with another client. Here you go. Silver. The tires are like brand new. It's only got 14,000 miles on it. It is very straight and clean car. You shot down the line there. No dents or dings. It is a touring model, so it does have power back hatch. Just going to walk all the way around. I did find one blemish in the vehicle, which is right there. I'm not sure if it's able to come out. I can get most of it out, I'm sure. I'll take you for a walk inside the vehicle. Being the Touring, it does have the camera, so it does have the collision system, it does have the lane departure alert system. Just down here again, that power back hatch. We'll pop that baby open there. It does have automatic lights, memory on the seating, which is nice. Power tilt and side moonroof. He's got the price dropped down now to $27,498. Does have navigation as well, just super nice. There's our view there. Auto dimming mirror, which is nice. The inside's really nice and clean. This is a black interior. It is black. It's a definitely black interior for sure. Those pictures were deceiving. It does say gray, but it is black. It is black all the way around. There's the back seat there. Let's take a walk into the back hatch area. I just opened up the power. It does not have all-weather mats. It does have an all-weather trunk liner back here. If we want to drop the seats down, there goes the seats if that seatbelt wasn't in the way, and off she goes there. So super nice. There's your back hatch power button there. That is your Touring 2016 Honda CRV.